In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and design a survey using Surveymonkey. To get started, first navigate to the Surveymonkey homepage. This is your main hub for all survey projects. Here, you'll find all the surveys you're working on. Click on the survey you wish to edit. If you're starting fresh, simply create a new survey project. Now, let's dive into the design. You'll want to click on the Design Survey button to enter the survey builder. Once in the design view, look for the option to add content, which is typically located on the left part of the screen. Click on Add Content. This will present you with a range of options for types of survey questions. Choose Question from the list, as this will allow you to build your survey step by step. After selecting Question, think about the type of question you want to include. For a standard set of choices, click on Multiple Choice. This is one of the most popular question formats, as it provides respondents with predefined options to choose from. If you need to gather more detailed responses that require rating or comparison, you might select the matrix/rating scale option. It's particularly useful for obtaining feedback on multiple items using the same set of rating scales. Once you've picked your question type, a field labeled Enter Your Question will appear. Click into this field and type in the actual question you want to ask. Make sure it's clear and concise for your respondents. As you continue to build your survey, you'll find options to enter row labels. These act as headers for each piece of information you're collecting in a matrix or table format. Enter your first label and then continue adding more as needed to align with your survey structure. It's important to ensure each label is clearly defined to avoid any confusion. If your question type involves numerical data or requires respondents to weight options, click on Use Weights. This gives a numerical value to each response, which can be quite helpful for analyzing results. After you've completed setting up the questions and any needed weighting, remember to regularly click Save to ensure you don't lose your work. Lastly, to gain a sense of what your respondents will experience, click on Preview Survey. This allows you to see and interact with the survey before it goes live. Previewing your survey helps catch any errors or adjustments needed to improve the overall user experience. Once you're satisfied, your survey is ready to be deployed. Thank you for following this tutorial. Creating surveys with Surveymonkey not only gathers vital information, but also provides engagement with your audience, tailoring feedback to enhance decisions or project developments. Happy surveying, and see you in our next tutorial.